So guys, let's watch this video.
Hey. So you get my capon go shit for toilet, tell me you go flush him. You don't go flush him.
Ah, bros. I go there go flush the shit. I don't see water now.
Whether water there, whether water no there, for this prison, flush the shit.
How are you supposed to flush toilets?
Flush shit without water.
Yes.
It's possible.
Hey, which of Naija be Sabinus?
Sir?
Collect food.
Why did you look
Oh, yeah, now, okay. You don't want to eat your food again?
I'm not so sure I go chop out.
Give me that thing. Come prison, they do soft boy.
But how are you supposed to even flush toilet
Why are
without
you
water?
here,
Oh, Jesus.
Or are they... Well, let's... What is going to happen here?
Ooh. Within the enter. Chamu. What's up?
So this is the reason Sabinus did not want to eat the rice.
From the people wicked, they won't eliminate me. Be lifted high! Oh Lord! Believe.
It's a prank! Give me!
So this man, they fear like this.
You be like Capo na prankster.
So they say Jollof rice, they run.
Capo respect.
Your food.
Man, Jollof food. Confirm. Say chicken. What's you know there?
I'm down inside though.
Capon.
Prank.
This serious, this one don't die you.
Not be hand they use check, he will touch your chest, bros.
Nah, Capon die. Nah, Capon die. This one, I read it.
The heart don't cool.
Touch my chest. It's beating slow, right?
It's coming down.
Oh. I'll not die in Jesus' name. I'll not die in Jesus' name.
You will die, you will die.
Jollof rice not gonna kill me for this life. Jollof
It has
rice
already
no go
killed
kill
you
me
already.
for this life.
It has killed you already.
Let me say I don't do that. I'm dying.
You are dying.